Hello everyone, so this is problem number 73 of chapter Geometrical Optics. Here it is given that a ball is kept at a height of h above the surface of a heavy transparent sphere made of material of refractive index mu, and the radius of sphere is r. So let this be our sphere which is having a radius of r. This radius is r, refractive index mu. Now a ball a ball is falling from the height h above the surface of this sphere. This is h. Now here it is asked to find out the speed of image formed as a function of time. Okay, so the time for time less than 2h by z, it will fall, or we can say that the time of flight or the time of fall will be root under 2h by z. So for the time less than root under 2h by g, let at any time t the ball is at a height of x from below. So this is at any time t, this is x, so this is going to be h minus x. So we can say that h minus x is equal to half g t square. So let it write as equation 1. Now u, what is u? U is equal to, now we'll have let us have this x as 0, this is positive x and this is negative x. Sorry, this is positive x and this is negative x. So u is equal to minus x, and here, and radius of curvature of this refractive surface is r and it is positive, so r is equal to plus r. So here we have to find out where is v from this formula, that is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r. So mu2 is the refractive index of the medium which contains refracted ray. So suppose this medium, this is the medium having incident ray, and then this is the medium having refracted ray. So like that. So it is mu2 is mu upon v minus mu1 is 1, u is minus x is equal to mu2 is mu minus 1 upon r. So r is positive here. So from this we can get v is equal to mu r into x upon mu minus 1 into x minus r. So this is the value of v, or we can say that it is the coordinate of image which is going to form after first refraction. So this will be v. Now if we want to calculate the image speed of the image, so we can say that speed is equal to dv by dt. Why? Because it is the coordinate of image. So if you calculate this, then you will get mu r square g into t upon mu minus 1 h minus gt square by 2 minus r whole square. So this is the speed of image at any time t, for t less than root under 2h by z.